Playwright Chapter 1 Introduction to Playwright and Setting Everything Up. Module 1.1 Starting off, what is Playwright? The objectives for this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what Playwright is and why it's useful. Compare Playwright with other automation tools like Selenium and Cypress. And finally, know what browsers and devices Playwright supports. What is Playwright? Playwright is an open source test automation library developed by Microsoft for end-to-end testing of web applications. It allows developers and testers to write scripts that simulate user interactions, like clicking on buttons, typing in fields, and navigating pages, to ensure everything works as expected. So it's a library that should simulate normal customer interactions on a website. Now for the key features. It supports various web browsers like Chrome and Firefox. It allows for headless and headed browser testing, meaning when you run your test, you can have the browser open and show the clicks, or run headless, where it runs the test but it doesn't open the browser, saving time. You can emulate mobile devices, mock APIs, and intercept network requests. It works with multiple programming languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and C#. And it has a built-in test runner, as well as screenshots and video recording. Now you might be asking, well, why use Playwright? Playwright solves several challenges testers and developers face. For example, cross-browser testing with a single code base. Auto-waiting built in, meaning it waits for elements to be ready, reducing the flakiness of your test. Out of the box, it supports parallel execution. Powerful debugging tools like Trace Viewer and video recording. Now, let's compare Playwright to other tools. As you can see, for all the major categories, Playwright comes out on top. For example, it's the only one that has mobile emulation. Now, in regards to browser and device support, Playwright supports Chrome, Firefox, mobile emulation, geolocation, and so on, meaning you can test across nearly all modern browsers and simulate user conditions. Real-world use cases. With Playwright, you can automate UI testing for React, Angular, and Vue applications. You can validate flows such as logging in, checkout, and form submission. You can simulate users from different regions or devices. You can test APIs and UIs together in one flow. And finally, you can capture screenshots of pages for visual regression testing. Now for our key takeaways. Playwright is a powerful modern end-to-end testing tool maintained by Microsoft. It supports multiple browsers, mobile emulation, and modern features like network interception and automatic waits. Compared to Selenium and Cypress, Playwright offers a balanced mix of performance, flexibility, and ease of use.